Hello, I'm Will, the CEO of A-1 Cleaning Service, and I'm thrilled to share some exciting news with you. While you may know us for our exceptional carpet cleaning, window washing, restaurant hood cleaning, and our evening office cleaning services, today I want to introduce you to a hidden gem, our Maid services. Here is how our Maid services work. Simply either book a free estimate online or call, and we'll send out our Maid supervisor. But there's something more you should know. We constantly win year after year Best of the North Coast and the Reader's Choice Award. And we're incredibly proud to have over 670 Google reviews with an outstanding 4.9 star rating. Your peace of mind matters to us. That's why we ensure the safety of your home and family. All our maids undergo thorough background checks. So whether it's our award-winning cleaning or our trusted maid services, A-1 Cleaning Service is your go-to choice for providing domestic serenity, a cleaner, safer, and more comfortable home. Join our community of satisfied customers and experience excellence.